Hey guys, I had one question on last night's homework, and that was number 3 to find the perimeter of your triangle DEF. So remember, when we had an external common tangent point, that means that these two guys going out are going to have the exact same length. So because this guy is 7, that means this here has to also be 7. Coming out here, if this is 15, I know this length here has to also be 15. So really it's just these two lengths here that we need to figure out. But together we know that my entire side of EF is 19, which means this guy has to be 12. And he is also going to be 12. So I know EF has a length of 19, DF is going to have a length of 27, and DE has a length of 22. So all I'm doing is I'm adding 22 plus 19 plus 27 to give me a perimeter of 68. All right, so tomorrow you guys have your last review, your equations of circles. It is multiple choice. So yes, you could go through and just do A, B, C, D, but hopefully you guys are actually trying to figure them out. And then you have your test on Monday. The test on Monday will only be open for one day. All right, guys, good luck.